Continuing coverage, Sioux City School Board member Dan Greenwell has appealed a district court ruling that ordered him to pay more than $52,000 to the attorneys of former Superintendent Dr. Paul Gosman.
In April of 2024, a judge ruled that Greenwell did not act in good faith by setting up a closed-door meeting of the school board, which violated Iowa's open meetings law. That's because it went beyond the stated purpose of looking into Gosman's professional competency. In his appeal, Greenwell says the district court was wrong in several areas, including a ruling that part of the January 24, 2022 closed session exceeded the scope of Iowa law. Greenwell also maintains the court was wrong when it found Greenwell wasn't entitled to the safe harbor protections under Iowa law. Also, Greenwell says the court was wrong to refuse to prorate Gosman's attorney fees between the successful and unsuccessful claims. Greenwell wants the attorney fee cut by 50%, or have the case sent back to district court with instructions to cut the attorney fee. In a statement to KTIV, Greenwell said the court ignored or didn't properly understand prior law precedents regarding closed meetings. He continued saying, quote, "We believe the appeals court will reverse the numerous erroneous rulings made by the district court. We look forward to correcting the record," end quote.